If you want to make a living running paycheck to paycheck, then general knowledge is enough. But if you want to make a fortune and make more money, then you need specialized knowledge. We might have heard that knowledge is power, but that is only half true. In this video, we will see why we need specialized knowledge, how to acquire it, how we can use that to increase our salaries or in our business to increase our revenues. Also, in this video, we will see what is a Mastermind Group and why we need that to achieve our goals. And this is the 4th chapter of the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Let's start with the knowledge. According to the author, the knowledge he classified into 2 parts. One is the general knowledge. The next is the specialized knowledge. General knowledge is like what we averagely know about many things. The other part of the general knowledge is what the majority of the masses know. And we take mostly this general knowledge to the marketplace. So when I say marketplace, it is the place where we apply for our jobs or we run our business or the service to our clients. And if it is, as this is general, it does not help us to make more money. That's what in the beginning of this video I said, that we can make a living out of this general knowledge. But if you want to accumulate more wealth and make a fortune, then you need specialized knowledge. So let's see in detail what is this specialized knowledge. First, we need to understand we are not paid by our time, but we are paid by the value what we bring to the marketplace. That is why we see lots of gap between an average employee in a company and the salary of a CEO. One of the US data shows that the CEOs get more than 344% of salary than the average employee. To put it in numbers, it is around $15.3 million versus less than $31,000 per annum. Is there a solution to fill this gap? And the answer is yes, and that is called specialized knowledge, the 4th step towards richness. Knowledge will not attract money unless it is organized and intelligently directed through practical plan of action to the definite end of accumulation of wealth or money. Let's break it down. Knowledge will not attract money unless it is organized and intelligently directed. Meaning, we should be able to focus in what we want and the ability to stay focused for a very longer period of time. The second part is through practical plan. Nowadays, we call this as a working plan because we need to remember we can change our plans, but we should never change our goals. As we move along in every day to achieve this goal, we should be able to adjust this plan when and where required. But we should stay focused on the end goal, what we have written down earlier. And the last part of is to take action. Doing something every day without fail to move towards your goal. We may know many things like we need to do regular exercise, we need to save regularly, eat healthily. But are we doing this? That's what there is a difference between what we know and what we do. What is more important is to take action, and you need to take action now. Knowledge becomes power only when and if it is organized into definite plan of action and directed to a definite end. We need to stay in the battle till the end. Remember, in this battle, we may fail. Failure is part of the process. Without failure, we cannot achieve anything. We need to overcome the difficulty at different stages and stay in the battle till the end until we achieve our desire. Winston Churchill once said, "Never give in, never, never, never give." Just look around and see the top people in your workplace, the top CEOs, the NBA players, music stars. They all are specialized in their chosen field. This is the first key concept of this chapter, that if we need richness, then we need to have specialized knowledge. The second part is that specialized knowledge that you can acquire also come with limitation, as you cannot have all the skills that you want to achieve your desire, and this is everyone's weakness. As they used to say, good is not good enough. How you can become good to great and keep increasing your bar higher and higher in your workplace or in the business what you do. As an individual, we can acquire only a limited amount of knowledge, even though it is a specialized knowledge. To fill this gap, the author gives the idea of Mastermind Group. Any man is educated who knows where to get knowledge when he needed it, and now to organize that knowledge into a definite plan of action through the assistance of his Mastermind Group. Take any professionals who excel in their chosen field. They have personal coach, fitness coach, dietitians, the PR who works for their public relations, the ad agencies who help them to generate those money. These are all the examples of a mastermind group. The accumulation of great fortune calls for power, and power is acquired through highly organized and intelligently directed specialized knowledge. But the knowledge does not necessarily have to be in possession of the man who accumulates the fortune. This is where the mastermind group helps us. So to achieve our desire, we can acquire the specialized knowledge in this as below. One, one's own educations and experience. The next is college or university degree. The third is the mastermind group who with associate to get the knowledge what we do not have. The next is the knowledge what we acquire through reading. And the last is attending specialized training like seminars, online training, or watching videos like this. And these are the areas where we can increase our specialized group. And the last idea the author explained in this chapter is continuous learning. Successful man in all calling never stop acquiring specialized knowledge related to their major purpose and business or profession. If we stop learning, we will moving towards mediocrity. In his book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Stephen Covey explained about this sharpening our skills. The way of success is the continuous pursuit of knowledge, more specifically specialized knowledge which makes you irreplaceable. J.R.D. Tata in around the year 1880 visited many countries to learn about the advancement in textile industry. He came across a British historian and a philosopher called Thomas Clay and attended his lecture where he understood the future of iron. And the seed of a Tata Steel company was planted in his mind on that day. Today, Tata Steel is a billion-dollar company. Robin Sharma in his book used to talk about the 45-15 principle. Spend 45 minutes in reading. Then the next, reflect in what you have read and write it in your journal. And try to implement the new things what you have learned. So that is the advantage of specialized knowledge. And that is the summary of this chapter. And along with this specialized knowledge, you need one more component to get richness in your life, and that is imagination. And that we will see it in the next video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you love this video, please consider subscribing this channel. You are here to win. You can click the subscription button below in this video, and also please forward this to your friends and families. You can also watch the other videos here. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.